Understanding, freeze someone out, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and accessible. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically the phrase, freeze someone out. This idiom is a great example of how English can use temperature-related words to describe social interactions. Stick around to find out what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. At its core, freeze someone out is used to describe a situation where a person or a group of people deliberately exclude someone from a social circle, conversation, or activity. It's as if they're making the environment too cold for the person to be a part of it, hence the use of the word freeze. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional environments. To understand how this idiom works in real life, let's look at a few examples. In a workplace setting, if a team stops inviting a colleague to meetings or stops sharing information with them, they are freezing this person out of the project or the team dynamics. In personal relationships, when friends stop calling or inviting another friend to gatherings without any explanation, they are effectively freezing that person out of their social circle. These examples show that to freeze someone out is a form of social exclusion, and it's often used to show disapproval or to assert control or dominance within a group. Now that we know what it means, let's see how to incorporate it into our everyday conversations. After the disagreement, she felt like the rest of the group was trying to freeze her out. I don't know what I did, but it seems like everyone is freezing me out of the discussions. Notice how the phrase can be modified slightly. Freeze her out, freezing me out, to fit the subject and tense of the sentence. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, freeze someone out. We hope this video sheds some light on how English uses vivid imagery to express complex social dynamics. Remember, idioms are a powerful tool to make your English sound more natural and nuanced, so don't shy away from using them. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!